Want a clean progress bar that shows exactly how much of your video has been watched? Here's how to build one in After Effects. No plugins, just one layer. Create a new composition. Match the resolution and frame rate to your final video. This keeps everything in sync. Press Ctrl plus Y to create a solid layer. Pick any color. This will be your progress bar. Press Y to grab the anchor point tool. Hold Ctrl and snap it to the bottom left corner. This is the key step. It's what controls where the bar grows from. Press V to switch back to the selection tool. Drag the top edge down to make it a thin bar. Now open your layer properties and go to Transform, Anchor Point. Click the stopwatch. This sets your first keyframe at the start of the timeline. Move your playhead to the end of the timeline and set a second keyframe there. Now go back to the beginning and change the X value to 1920. This pushes the bar completely off screen. As the video plays, the anchor point pulls it back across, left to right. Hit play and watch it go. If this saved you some time, subscribe. One quick tip like this every week. Next, animated arrows. That's how you tell your viewer exactly where to look.